round and my bum bucklat yard. Jail me I come from last year, pussy. When me walk come round and my bum bucklat yard, me put me hand for my wife, Father God, me sorry. Come here, me sorry. Then top my woman care. Then top my wife car. So when I dent there, that's when I dent, when time I fling. When time I fling. So one more dent there, that's when time I fling, you can see sink. When I rain me there, no people. You see me? Some holy part that sink there on the car. The one the right there, so sink in. I mash up my wife car. Mash up my wife car. Lick my bumbucklat wife. Beat up my pussyclat wife. Mash up my bumbucklat car when my boy for my wife out there, so for she drive go around the place, youth. You see me? And people, watch you now. This up in August. This up in August. When after all is said and done, people, from your wife sit down and talk. You sit down and lie in my face. For me come beat up my wife. For me beat up my bumbuckler wife and could have go back to jail. Mash up our car. All the sheriff then come for me out. All the sheriff them come for me out. All the blood clot sheriff them come for me. Me beat off my bumbucklat wife in here. Mash up our car. Because you sit down with your whole heap of friend and tell me lie. But how my wife come round there and discriminate me and deal with me out. We could have go to jail. Love my wife, love me. I grew on and my mother and me around there. When the sheriff them call me on the phone. And they must say, yo, where are you? And I tell them, yo, I'm there at Orlando. Because I'm giving Camille space. Remember now, and you make me put me hand on my blood clot. Why? Because you sit down and tell me with my face. Tell me, boy, yo, no girl can't deal with me, so you know. We can't believe so. Every day you have Camila praise on the internet and so she can this in front of everybody and that you forget. When you know say a lie, you have blood clot tell for my wife. Me come round a big argument with Camille, mash up the wall of my house, mash up my wife's car, then you come on live. yo, Pretti, you remember me tell you, yo, me think say you grow they go thump the TV. Me think say you grow they go thump the TV and thump the wall. Thump the TV and thump the wall. So you tell me a lie for my wife, so me can come round here and thump the wall and thump the TV. Oh, you mean so well, Anna? Good girl. I understand all the way I gonna say no, bitch. You think I don't know that stupid bitch? That hitting my wife that cool dumb asshole? You think I don't know that stupid bitch? Why me never talk about it then, dumb bitch? Stupid clown asshole? Why the fuck me never talk about it then, my girl? Why me never come right there so I can say, yo, you know what I say? I not even thump my wife. Something will come in and I say, oh, you have to deal with me, so. So for your mate, for your fuck, me really and truly never thump her, me never box her, me never kick her. But yes, me hold her so. And me call that put it by hand span her. You feel me I deal with? Because I hold her like this. Me never thump my wife in her face. Me never kick her in her face. Me never do none of that. But what I did was also wrong. Because me come and me grab her like this. Me grab her like this. And I should have never do that. Out of the blood clot ears of a pussy. Damn, me not this my wife because I'm a friend youth. Me not this my wife because I'm a friend youth. Me not this her because I'm a friend youth. Me and her, when me come around here, me and her argue about it. You see me I deal with? It thing went left. Big argument. It thing went left, youth. Care mash up, bad man. You see me I say? Because you say, this is somebody where you rate, you don't expect them to tell you some blatant lie like them there. Me give her a headlock which was wrong. And I got me thump her. Me come around here, I ask her why we argue, she drive a dog. You see me? I'm saying, yo, Jano, put her in her headlock. Me I say, yo, I talk to her and I say, yo, what I do? I say, oh, you fit this me in front of them boy. You see me? I'm there, I'm a hold it. I'm not tell nobody on social media, brother. Because I'm not think somebody to come and tell nobody that. You see me? No, I not hear say, alright, that's right, I'm around a film yard, me there want you come pick me up. You see me miss the, how you mean? Me know I'm wrong. But what I you say you have one friend where you say you're rate, you don't expect your friend to come tell lie by your woman like that. For you, in a yourself, no say yo, that go on. So what me do? Me distance myself from your youth. Me distance myself from you. You see me? Me go stand distance and draw with myself from you. Nobody no see me around you. Me never say nothing. Me never come by yes, I come ball like no girl. Me never come by yes, I come ball like no bitch. And tell them what happened because me the day at me wrong to listen to a blood clot idiot. When my wife tell me, you tell a blatant lie and I say she come and she tell her say, where's Vanice? She said, tell her to hurry up because I got a client. You tell me, say my wife said, how long we sit down out here, so tell this stupid ass nigga to hurry up because I'm going to drive off. Then when we come out, they tell me, say my wife drive off. Then stop at the bumbuckler stop sign. Tell her friend to come in on my driver, in the passenger seat with me if you sit down and drive off and gone. And then, me dead there, I'm draw away, I'm hold it. Me say, oh, I don't need to tell no bumbuckler body why I don't deal with that brother. You see me I say? Me don't need to tell social media why I don't deal with that brother because me did that for my wrong whole heap. Me did that for my wrong whole heap people come in and put Camille in a blood clot headlock. Me shouldn't come in and put my wife in a no blood clot headlock. Me, as we there in that argue, yeah, it went left because we there in that argue, everybody there on top of them vice. Be a thing start flick, start mash up. I'm a distance myself, I'm there, fix my marriage, dog. And, you know, keep it off of social media and I say, you know what, just go on, you know, match up my wife, you see me, I say, and just beg for her forgiveness and them little thing there and just, because when I come out of jail, me look at my wife and say, mother, never do it again. And you make me do it again. No, I know you. Make me do it again. Me do it again. Because me and my wife now go through them, sit there for me come from jail, you know. But you see what me notice with people, them like to come mash up something and then play a victim. And then go like say people have trouble them. Nigga, me not have time to come by here so come trouble you. You started with me. Out of nothing after you know what you do in my marriage. You see me? After me there in a jail, me come out, me I do better. Me talk to me bumbuckler to me say with your babes. Me not got you that I get me chick coming like a queen. Some would have never raised no fist here again and said him come in because of you. Put my wife in a headlock because of what you say. And your friend. Your friend. Yeah, we're not friend. So now, people, from August, me not deal with the brother. That is a clear indication why me not want to deal with you. Just see one time you ramp with my marriage after me come out of jail and I try get back right with my wife. And at the first time that me come around your side and a war would come, just because me come around you and you fucked up energy. Because you see choose someone on a rate for no woman them. You see choose someone on a rate for no woman them. Or no we say anything for your next man go beat up and doing woman any kind of thing you would. That's why Camille don't like you. If Camille see you 5 times in her life, she never touch you 2 times. Because she don't like you. My wife says she sick the parasite in you. You see me? One time you are going to look for me and tell me, say, Camille, come this up in front of you and the rest of them right here, so call me bitch ass nigga and pussy this and pussy that. What you mean? Me wrong for make an idiot get in my head because you ever tell people say you can't read. Now me feel stupid to make somebody without an intellectual bumbleclot meditation even come in on my bumbleclot head and tell me sitting about my wife when he even go so me and her can come round here and war. But me avoid you for the whole lifetime. Me avoid you. Me not look for you. You stay over there. Me not look at you.